Hi and welcome to another fast car styling video. In this episode, we're going to have a look at the Slimline Quick Release steering wheel basket. The kit will fit all vehicles already using an aftermarket steering wheel. It sits in between the boss and the steering wheel, and you can also plug your existing horn connection in. All fitting screws are included and the job only takes 10 minutes. One of the main features is the release mech, which ensures a safe and secure connection. Available now in our eBay store and also on fastcarstyling.com. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more product videos.